everyone, welcome back. And as you know, today we're not gonna trade because it's the 24th. There is no volume, or at least the market is gonna close earlier. So there is no need to push ourselves on forced trades, right? We don't need to do that. We are stronger than that. So we're gonna just backtest today. We're gonna backtest together. I choose a random month and I choose the January of 2024. So the first month of this year. I will not trade it with the 15 minutes break strategy on that period. So I think it's a good time to backtest it and just see how it would have performed. I have a file right now here. I'm going to show you. I have two charts. I have NinjaTrader. So you can see that this is the 15-minute chart. And on the left side, I have the 1-minute chart. It's moving crazy because the scroll is global. And I as well on the left side, on another screen, the 1-second chart in the case that something does not make sense, that maybe it tick me and then stop me and then went to take profit. And maybe we have that kind of cases. So we have to just pay attention a little bit for this kind of possible problems. Then I'm going to show you my Excel file here I've created. We have the day this happened. I should have put maybe the hour. What is it? Here, the time. I think can I move the? Can I move this one? Here. Yes. Oh, okay. It doesn't allow me. Because this is merged. Okay, let me unmerge this. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna take this, put it back here. Perfect. Then I'm gonna take back this and then merge it. But this, I think, is gonna mess up all my calculations. It's okay, it does not matter. We're gonna do it later. So right now I have the day. I'm gonna put the day the trade happened. What time was the trade? It was 9:30. Okay, 10:35, 9:45, and 10 and 10:15. So apply to the 16. Yes, I believe. Yes. So the time was at 9:30, at 9:45, at 10, at 10:15. That is the only times I can take which break I'm taking. And then this is not important if it was a long or a short. The type of strategy, 15 minutes break. Number of contracts is always the same. And we're going to put here the value of the ATR. As you can see here, I have it on the ATR here, 1 minute. And if the ATR is big enough, no, the ATR, any ATR at that moment the break happens, I'm going to put the value here. So later we can see which ATR has the best performance. Is it above 5, above 10, or above 15, right? It can be a few cases. So we have to just backtest it right now and see which one works better, right? Let me text in Discord that we are live right now. Yeah, out and hello, Abdel. Perfect, perfect. Hello, Abdel. We're not gonna trade today, just backtesting, yeah? So let's start because we're not here just to chit chat. We need to make put some work on this backtest, and backtesting time. Okay, let's go. So first this today I need this one. I need what is the day? 12:29. Now I need the first. Oh, I have to put days. Oh, end date. I always do the mistake of putting the start date, so I have to change it all over here. It's okay. It's our second things. I want to load 5 days from the last day. So then I have to change as well the second one here, the second chart. Where is the second chart? Here. And then data series from the 5th. Okay. And then we are ready here. Let's start. So what is today? The first day. We're gonna back to the second. This is the first trading day of the year, and the first day was the first break was here. The market. Let's remember that candles in NinjaTrader go by deposit. So this is the 930 candles, 945. The first break happened here. So we're gonna go. Oh my God, it's gonna be an interesting challenge. Maybe I should not use. I should not put global here. Global no time scroll, yeah. So deposit. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. So this is the 945. Perfect. So if I go here, we're gonna look for the 931, and this was the low. So the first break here happened. I'm looking if it happened without any problems there on the week. 888.75 because this was the first low. Yes, that's 514. No, 515, 16. This was the low. This was the low. Okay, yeah, no, it worked out very, very well there. Because if I go again and check, this was in 90, 89 up to 70, so 10 points were there easily. So we're gonna do a 930. It was a short. Maybe I need a little bit more just to have time to perfect. I just need enough here that I don't need to scroll every time. So 50 minutes break, ATR, blah blah blah. ATR. How much was the ATR at that moment? ATR at that moment was it's a bit hard to know. It happened on the first minute, so ATR was quite low, because it just happened on the first daily candle. ATR was around 9 ATR. So we're gonna put 9 there. That is the 9 ATR. So we move to the next one. After that, we have the second break here on the low side. Sorry. 945 here. 46 is the 46 is the first candle of the day. So the break happened here. 97.25. It did not reach 10 points. It came back up to 11. So that means 97. We have to be sure about this because this is 97 and the high was 11. That means this is 14 points and the stop loss would then be 12. Even with a bit of slippage, I think this trade would have survived. 11.25 was the high, yeah? Yes. It was a short. I'm gonna double check it in the second chart because I have it here on the left. So the second chart just showed me that the break happened here. What is it? Here is the break, 97. The chart came back up to, yeah, 11. So I'm gonna give it as a green trade. It's on the limit, but it's still a green trade. So 945, it was still a short, 15 minutes break, and ATR at that moment. The ATR when the break happened was at 14 15 ATR. Moving on, next one. Usually the fact is that we can do by 2 trades, but I have to take at least 3 trades if I evaluate as well the 930, because many times I don't take the 930. So the good thing is that if I want to take the 2 trades as a strategy and I did not check other trades, I have to check the 930, and for example, if the 930 happened, like in this case, then I have to take another trade, because if I want to remove the 930 trades, at least I have data for the next 2 trades. So right now we have take 2 trades. Next one, we are still on the Tuesday, 2nd of January 2024. So first break, this is the first break here. That's my highly chance as a loss. It's a losing day. It's a losing trade. What to say, not losing day. So the market came back 10.01. That's first candle. The high was this one. Yes. 46, 45 was the previous one. Okay. It broke us at 11. It reached 18 and it stopped out. So this is definitely a losing trade. And the ATR was the break at 10. So at 10 a.m. was the break, and the ATR was around 15. Yeah, it was 16. So we're gonna put this is wrong. True. This is gonna oh my god. This is gonna chew. We took it at 10 a.m. It was a long, it was a 15 minutes break, and with the ATR was 16. So for the moment, I'm so stupid. For the moment, I put everything, but I didn't put if it was a losing trade or or if it was a winning trade. 10 points, 10 points, minus 15. That's so stupid. Imagine I was going for like 20 trades and then forgot that I had to put if it was a winning trade. So stupid. So let's move to the next next day. So right now we've done 2 trades. Let's move to the next one. Let's move on the 3rd of January. Oh my god. 3rd of January and Wednesday. So Wednesday is the new day, and we're gonna backtest right now. The beautiful new day, and let's move on. Oh, the light just turned off. Beautiful. I need to. I thought it didn't need to be charged every time, but it seems it needs it, or at least I didn't charge it enough. Okay, now you can see me a bit better. I didn't even notice that it was turned off. Let's move to the next. Trade. We go to the 3rd of January. We're gonna scroll. 9:30 here. Perfect. Let's zoom so we don't lose it every time. And 8:45, 9:30, 9:45 is the first candle of the day, and we have 2 breaks here, one lower and one high. That's gonna be interesting. So we're gonna check here. This is the first candle of the day. Oof, no, not at all. This is the first candle of the day. It's here. 34, 31. What was the low? The low of the candle was here. It broke at 27 and it reached 16.50, 16.25. That's really on the limit. We're gonna check this 1 second candle. If this 1 second candle is a huge 1 second candle, I'm gonna count this a losing trade, because 1 second candle, you're gonna get some slippage, 100%. So we're gonna check the 1 second chart to have a confirmation. Let's see. And no, we're gonna scroll. Where did it happen? Here. Okay, 9:30. No, it did happen quite nicely there. So it there is good chance at 27 and took your profit wow, 6 on the limit, but it's a very good chance that you didn't get slippage. So I'm gonna count this as a winning trade. And we're gonna take it 9:30. It was a short, 15 minutes break. ATR. Just forgot every time to check the ATR at that moment. Here, the ATR was just starting on the day, so 10. I mean, it's 10. I believe it's definitely much higher. Let's make it 11 for the moment, but definitely, it definitely is much higher. It's just that it's 9.5. The chart on the ATR is not yet updated. So we're gonna right now move to the high, the break higher, because that's what happened here. We had break lower, but even we got a break higher. And definitely this is a losing trade. This is a losing one. 921, we broke here, we went a little bit, and we come back to then to push higher on the next minute. So definitely this is a loss. 37, 69, yes, this was a loss, and the ATR was 17. So copy paste. It was still a 9:30 break. It was a long. It was a 15 minutes break. And 17 was the ATR. And we lost on it. For the moment, the shorts were the one working. Let's move to the next one. We need other 2 trades at least outside the 9:30. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask, guys. We are just backtesting. It's Christmas. There is no need to trade. And if you're trading today, you have an addiction problem. And it's important to understand that when you have it, right? And I don't mean that if you're addicted, you are not able to get out from it easily, or you are a freaking junkie. No, we have been, all of us, addicted to trading, because trading is an amazing, it's an amazing job. I love it. I can trade every day. But trading as well is a thing that takes you to the next level of control, mental control. So the moment you learn about understanding that you should not trade every day is the moment you're gonna make money. 9:45 is done. Next candle, no breaks. Even if it here was on the limit, no break. Then we got the probably higher chance that we got the first break higher at 10 feet at 10. This is the break at 10 a.m. Or am I wrong? Yeah, this is the 9:45, and this is 10 a.m. All right. Freaking hate NinjaTrader. Does all deposit. High chance this was a news day as well. Break at 71.25, 82.25. I'm gonna check if we got a big 1 minute candle there, just to be sure. Definitely quite a bit of a candle there, but even with a little bit of slippage, you will get in your TP. And so we're gonna take copy paste there, 9:45. It was a long 15 minutes break, and ATR quite a lot. I think it was going to the 17, so 17 ATR as well here. So for the moment, when you look at this, you're like, "Ooh, the strategy is working so freaking well," and it should. We are backtesting right now to get it on 2025 as the best strategy ever. So easy to use. Everyone can use it. My brother uses it, and he never traded before, and he's making money. Zakaria, hello, Zakaria. How are you? Welcome. Today is very calm. Usually it's more active and we are a bit more people, but because it's day before Christmas, guys, do not trade. Really, do not trade. Don't be that person of being addicted that you need to trade. When you have that emotion of addiction of that you want to trade, and you know even that the market there is no volume, your strategy will not work as the best, and you need sometimes you really need some days off from trading, guys. So just take some days off and let's backtest. So for the moment, I backtested this number of trades. Christopher, so my friend, enjoy your holiday, your Christmas, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, enjoy your New Year, and thank you so much, Christopher, for coming every day during this year. I really appreciate you, and we're gonna have an amazing 2025. See you in 2025, brother. Thank you so much, Christopher, for coming every day, man. I appreciate you, and I hope your trading was good, and I hope that this channel helped you on any way. And I really hope so that it was helpful for you. And yeah, man, thank you so much for coming every time. Salam, Scalp. How are you? Today's strategy, 3 out of 3. Wow, is there a volume? Is there volume today to trade even? I've not checked yet. A lot? Okay, let's lose 1 second time to check today. Because my brother now is telling me, right, we have anyway the data here. That is the beauty. That is why I put always the date and the time, because at least now I know which one was my last trade I texted. So let's check how the volume. Oh my God, I'm gonna sneeze. Alhamdulillah. Wow. Today, apply. And we're gonna go to the 1 minute chart. Oh, wait. The market, it's quite going. I have 50. What is the opening here? 31. We got a nice break here lower. It definitely went to 10 points. Almost, not really. This is not really 975, 925. If you didn't get slippage, then yes. Only if you didn't get slippage. If not, this will be a stopped out. This one, no, this one 959. Ah, wait, is it? Yeah, this one. I'm not sure. 16, this would be in the first break. I mean, here, if you were anticipating it, you would have getting stopped out. If not, 43. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And let's go back, guys. Let's go back. We don't care. We really don't care. We don't get this mentality, guys. Oh, we missed a trade. No, we didn't miss a trade. That is the many things happens. Is that, for example, right now you checked, and you're like, oh my God, I missed a trade. But there is holiday, half day, you don't trade. If you put yourself in a mentality of like, oh, I missed a trade, next time that there's a holiday, you're gonna trade, you're gonna blow up. Because next time, you don't know, the market is not gonna move, and you just scalp and lose every time. Guys, we are not here to gamble. And for example, that's because last week, was it last week when there was FOMC? I fucked up. I should have not traded FOMC day. That's one of my main rule. I traded, I wanted to put a live, I traded, and I missed my payout. So now I'm back. I have to still trade my accounts and get them to payouts. That's annoying. But you know, we grow. This year has been amazing. Let's go back testing. Let's go back testing, guys. 15. So we go back to the, which day was it? The 3rd of January. Somewhere here. Okay. So here we got the first break higher. Here we need the next break lower. Perfect. It's here. It broke 23. Yeah, easily 10 points there. And it was the break at 10, 11. So that means is the break. What? I think then I messed up here. 10. Ah, yeah, here I should have put, yeah, here I should have put 10. That was a mistake, my mistake. Then here, I put here 10, short, 15 minutes break. I mean, it's the only strategy. I don't know why I'm just selecting it. And ATR was, ATR was beautiful here. It was at 18 ATR. So why, if you're new and you don't know about the fact that I'm taking the data of the ATR, is because I want to be sure that the strategy performs better above a certain ATR. So right now I want to have at least all January completed. So we're gonna fill all January backtest. And backtest, I know it's boring. It's boring, but can you put a few hours of effort to improve your strategy so that you don't have to really struggle anytime anymore in your strategy and your trading just because you backtested a few hours? Put some statistic on your strategy, guys. That's one factor. A statistic game. Trading is just a statistic game. And if you don't understand that, it's gonna take you longer. We are not here to predict the market, guys. We are not here to. We are here to keep repeating the strategy over and over and over and over. So let's go to the 4th of January. Mufti, I mean, it seems the market is moving today, but right now we are just backtesting. I choose January 2024 as a starting. So right now, my friend, we have took one. I'm taking the 930 trades in the data. Then I took the next 2 trades. If I don't want to take the 930, then I have the next 2 trades. So right now I'm taking 930, 945, 10. Then on the 3rd of January, there were 2 breaks at 9:30, then 2 breaks at 10 a.m. 10 points, 10 points, 15, 10 points, 15, 10, 10. The ATR is here. It was high on January last year. So yeah, keep going right now. I'm moving to the next day. That it was the 3rd of January. No, the 4th of January. And the first break is here. So the first break might be the low. Yes, it is. At 9:31, first break was a loss, and ATR the ATR at 9:30 is totally wrong because it's delayed. It's an indicator, so always an indicator is delayed. So I put the ATR, but I know that at 9:30 is the moment of higher volatility. So it does not really make sense. So for example, right now it seems like a 7 or 8 ATR, but it's bigger. To be honest, I can put this value here as an ATR after it consolidated a little bit. That's because that's the value. To be honest, I might do that. For 9:30, it was a short, and I'm gonna put the realistic one, but I know that the ATR for the 9:30 it's not needed. And we lost 15 points. Then we got the break higher here. Break higher. What is it? Here. Break higher. No pullback. Oh, maybe pullback. I have to check in the 1 second chart. 1 second chart. Let's see if there was a pullback there. Wait. Can you come back here? Yes. What was in the first minute? It broke above here. So it broke. Oh, that's interesting here. It broke. It went up to 504. It came back at 94. So it did not stop me out here. So it did not stop me out. And it went to take profit. So that's a long that it worked out. 930 long. Look at this. I wanted to put 450 minutes break. What the heck? That. Come on. Google Sheet. I don't want to move. It's a selection things. Okay, then the ATR at that moment was quite high, I believe. Yeah, it was around 12 12, 13. Let's say 13 because it's 9:30 anyway. And that was a beautiful winning trade, 10 points. Let's move to the next one. The next one, nothing at the candle of 9:45, and then we get the next breaks at on these next candles here, 10-1. The first break was this one. Oh, that's interesting. 79, 75. That's a losing trade. ATR of 16. Very beautiful ATR there. 16. Okay, I did wrong here again. 9:40. No, 10 a.m. short 16, and we lost -15. Life it is. This is life. Okay, first then we get the break higher, because of course I take 2 more breaks after 9:30 a.m. just for more data. And the next break higher is this one. Ooh, that's, we have to pay attention. Not this one on the limit, but this one. So this one did not happen, but here, yes. That's interesting, because here I would be getting stopped out in my normal way. Yes, we're getting stopped out. But on the strategy, not really. That's even interesting. So we have 22. We go up to 32.75, and even if it pulls back, it's not going to stop me out. So this is a winner trade at 16 ATR. Oh, so it was a loss, right? Did you take it, or you're just checking? Because I didn't check the second chart. So maybe it was a loss. My brother is just told me everything was a win, but maybe it was not. Short. Was it a short or was it a long? No, it was a long. Long 10. Just checking. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. We've taken 11 trades right now. And for the moment, all the trades closed were happening before the 10:15. And for the moment, we are positive. I don't have the exact data probably. Percentage winning trades. Total trades 26. That's totally wrong. Yeah, because here. Winning trade 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is. Total points 10. Oh yeah, it is, guys. So for the moment, okay, let me put this one. For the moment, after all these trades, but of course, I don't take this amount of trades. It's only up 10 points in January. But of course, this is many trades. So usually, if you don't take the 9:30, maybe it's even worse, but let's see. We're moving to the next day, to the 5th, and we are done for the first week of January. First week of January, we are here. Oh, that's beautiful upside running here. This is possible stopped out. Well, let's go to the 9:30 here. So the market pushed here at 9:31, break 80.67. So okay, you will not get stopped out, and you will get in your long there. Okay. $9.30 long, and what was the ATR? I believe 11 sounds there. 11, and it was a winning trade. Okay, let's move to the next one. We break. The second trade is here. Let's see at 9:45. That's gonna be interesting because it seems that it kicked just a little bit outside here. 9:51, kicked out and then moved back. So this is a stopped out. So we're gonna put here 19, 945 long. The ATR we still have to check it. It's a minus 15. ATR on that break was 13, 12 and a half. 13. Oh my god. 13 here. So we're just backtesting, guys. We're putting data on data on data. We're backtesting January 2024 to see if the 15 minutes break was working, performing well on at least on that period. And I need so many coffees. I need so many coffees. So, oh, we reached the 8 people before. Okay. I mean, there is no trading. Usually, if people are interested of me trading, guys, I'm trading every day at 9.5 in the market, New York session, every freaking day. I've not missed a trade, and I've not taken a trade outside the lives. None of the trades I've taken in the last months that took me to payouts, $22,000 of payout, so close to $25,000 of payout. Great amount of money because it's my first year profitable. My first year profitable is this year, and I'm up $22,000, almost 25. If I'm lucky, maybe the next 2 days, who knows? But the beauty is that I'm using such a simple strategy, and it's working out. And next year, I'm going hard with 20 PA accounts, 20 funded accounts. Copy traded them, all of them. You're gonna see this number become from 20 to 100K, guys. We're gonna celebrate bigger payouts next year. And the beauty is that we are doing it all together. Sharing, caring. Sharing is caring. Let's backtest on the next break here at 10:15. That's 10 a.m. one. I believe that worked out very easily here. Yeah, the news happened. It worked out. ATR was at around 13 or 14. You can have it there. 13, 14. Yeah, let's put even 14. Doesn't matter in this case. It was a news long 10, 20. What do you mean 20? You're gonna copy trade 20? Yeah, most probably yes. If I don't have a different strategy to use, I'm honestly debating, Muftidi, if I'm gonna, because with the 50-minute strategy, I don't blow up accounts. It's true that it's riskier, but I never blew up an account with a 50-minute strategy. Never. I had an account with 160 days. And as well, you have 150K accounts surviving there with 50-minute strategy. Never blew up an account. So I'm thinking about if I don't have another strategy that performs better than 15 minutes, then I just copy trade 20 accounts. And copy trade with 20 accounts, wow, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. That means 20 accounts, that's even with just $500 for account, that is 10K payout. No, sides down, no. One mini on each account. One mini, 2 minis on the 150K account. We go hard. But if I'm trading a different strategy, then it's a different game. I would love to change strategy in some accounts. I would love to try something different that is more. You're gonna be rich. If the imagine the 15 minutes break strategy. To be honest, let's think about this here. It performed good enough. $20,000, great. But if ever it performs slightly better this year, and we remove red trades coming from lower ATR, Mufti, that is gonna be huge, a huge push. We can really move to 100K payout next year. 100K payout, wow. beautiful, right? If I reach that amount, we're gonna do a huge party somewhere. You're gonna be invited. The Discord is gonna be invited to party somewhere. Your own 100, beautiful. I would love as well to open a live account as well. That's a very good point, my friend. It's a beautiful point. So I think you know what we can do next week on the 31st. We can figure it out. We can have a call, all of us, and I think it's gonna be nice to have a call shared in YouTube, but all of us, and we're gonna each one of us speak about goals and have a nice conversation. Scalp Zach, I believe I understood your question. The problem is I don't speak Arabic or Darija. I speak Shleha. So my brother might be able to reply to you. Yes, I have above the affiliate for Apex, but Apex does not accept Moroccan customers, unfortunately, for the moment. My goal is, yeah, honestly, this is great as well. Copy trade from your live account has, in your live account, you're gonna have perfect risk management, right? Because you have a 100K account, you would want to risk, for example, more than $100, $150, $200 per trade, right? And you can just leverage a little bit more on the prop firms account. Scalp, I'm sorry, but I really don't speak Darija, so I really don't know. Mahmoud, what's up? I hope you're good. Move to the cat. Abdel, so Scalp. Abdel translated me. So he said why Apex is not in Morocco. It's just, I don't know. Apex is expanding, but the problem is that some countries are not yet ready for prop firms or trading. So Morocco probably is one of them. Hopefully in the future it will come. Many countries still have to be added for Apex. They just added last month Indonesia or Vietnam or stuff like that. So no, Vietnam, no. Indonesia and Thailand and stuff like that. As you, and Mufti Cat, happy holidays. Enjoy your time, enjoy your family. Yes, my friend, you don't celebrate Christmas for what I believe. So I wish you the best for New Year. Not trades today, Jose. What's up, my friend? We're just backtesting. We're backtesting, my friend. We've done 4 days, and we finished now day 5th. So we're gonna load the next week. We're gonna load January 12. So we're gonna January happy tata. So we're gonna do the next week right now. Loading, guys. That is the beauty of Rhythmic and Rhythmic, I think, or Ninja Trader. I mean, Ninja Trader. That is the beauty. You can just right-click on the chart, data series. This is the number of days you want to load from the latest, and then here you select which day you want in the past. So right now I'm selecting January 2024. Put 12. So it's loading 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Right now, I'm gonna backtest the second week of January. That is the beautiful side of Ninja Trader. Scalp. There is no problem, my friend. There is no problem. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I really don't speak Darija. But unfortunately, Morocco is not for the moment in Apex. Hopefully in the future. But 2025 is going to be interesting year for as well prop firms in general. With the regulations and everything, it's going to be interesting. Many small prop firms will disappear. And guys, always my advice is to not go to prop firms that have been just created by some influencers. These kind of people are creating prop firms to then rug pull you like a freaking cryptocurrency coin auction, all right? This kind of thing. So do not enter any prop firms that an influencer is telling you. How many prop firms were created by influencer in the last year? Only in the last year, 2024, this year. How many prop firms were created by influencer and disappeared? They made their millions, and then they're like, oh, I was not in this prop firm, I was just sponsoring them. But no, they were in. So guys, just be careful, stay in the top prop firms. There are many of them, and Apex is one of them. So just to let you know. So let's go to this 7 or 8 of January. What is the first day of this week? Of that week, I think is the 8th. Yes. It's gonna, yes, perfect. So let's go to the first trade of the week at 9. Oh, I already passed it. Wow. Wow. That was a beautiful push here. Okay. 940, 931 here. Ooh. Pushed at 43.25. Stopped 43.25. So this was a beautiful trade. It worked out very fast. 9 ATR. So that was it. On the 8th of January 24 at 9:30, we had a long and 8 ATR. That's not really matters again for the 9:30 because it's not correct, but we had 10 points. Moving to the next trade here, 9:45, nice push at 10 here, beautiful continuation is this one, 29, 10 here. Continuation. Oh wait, what the heck? No, the continuation is here. This one is the first break. What the heck I'm saying? 9:45, first break here. Easy. How much is the ATR? 10 points ATR there. 10, yeah, 10 points ATR. 9:45, it was a long, 10 points ATR, and it was 10 points profit. Ah, not here, this one. 10 points profit. That's beautiful, 3 consecutive range trades. You're welcome, Scalp. I'm sorry again. Next trade again, 10:15. Again, if you're new and you don't know about what the heck I'm right now backtesting, is the 15 minutes break strategy, and you can see it in my YouTube channel. I explain it, all of it, so easily, and it's available. Ooh, wait, 10:01. Here it broke at 10:01. This was a stop out at 62.41, and then it went long. So this is a stop out. The ATR was insane, not that much insane, but 13 points, and it was the 10:01. So that is the 10:15. Oh, sorry, 10 long, 13 ATR, and then we lost minus 15 points on the trade. Beautiful. Moving to the next day. We are on the 9th. It takes time, guys, to backtest. It's boring, it's annoying, but it's mandatory. You don't have a strategy because you're just forward testing. I mean, you can do that, only forward testing, but it's look at me right now. In only few minutes, if I only focused, I would have had already done 2 weeks. That means 10 days of trading. 10 days of trading in a few minutes of backtesting. 10 days of trading in forward testing is 10 days. So that's very important. You're gonna save so much time of your life. And let's go to the next trade. Here we are. Ooh, this is some fake breaks there happening. Okay, what is it? Where is it? Here. Ah, I missed it. Ah, come on. 9:31, 9:29. So, it didn't happen. Oh, it happened here on the last minute of the candle. The break is at 95, the low is at 90. That is a losing trade. That's a losing trade. at 9 on the 9 at 9:30, a short ATR. How much was the heck was that ATR? 14 ATR and minus 15. Let's move to the next one. Moving 9:30, breaking above. No, wait, we broke first above. What the heck? We first broke above. So the break above, it worked out easily, no problems there. And ATR 8, 9, it's much higher. It's somewhere here to 13. It's the first minutes. So, okay. First, we're gonna put 9:30. It was a long. That doesn't matter. Long. You can put the same ATR. Doesn't matter. Minus 10 points. So, okay. If you were trading with the 9:30 on the day, you were done after 10 minutes, 15 minutes trading. Let's move to the next candle here. 9:10, nothing happens here. Here was the first trade, 10:08, 10:01, 10:09, here, oh my God. Here did happen the break at 34.25. No break, stopped out. How much was the ATR? 12, 12.30, 12. It was a long at 9:40. No, at 10. And it was a losing trade. For the moment, all these trades after 2 weeks, and you're still in break even. That's sad. Let's move to the next one. 9:30 here. That's the next break. 10:16 here. 62, yes, it worked out very well, but ATR quite very low there at 10 and a half. 10 long. It was at 10:15, and we're closing it with a green trade there. If you were trading without the 9.5 on the day, you'll be little red, -5. That's not bad. So, oh my God, backtesting needs definitely a lot of time, but it's gonna help you to save so much time, guys, on the strategy. Okay, I just want to speak on the last 2-3 minutes, and if you have questions, you're welcome to ask me. So if you have questions, guys, let me know. But the main factor of why you should backtest, and this is before we close the live, and tomorrow we're back live trading, normal trading. So tomorrow we're gonna trade as always, as before, risking money, trying to get the payouts before the end of the year will be amazing. But the main point of backtesting a strategy is have an edge, a statistic that is telling you, look, you don't know the outcome on a single trade. And stop, guys, thinking that you know the outcome on a single trade. You don't know the outcome on a single trade. Let's think about you right now here. You want it to go longer, right? This is beautiful. Our structure is come back. I want to pull back. I'm going to go long, retest this area. I'm going to go long, stop loss. Then you're thinking, okay, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful continuation. You put a stop loss and a trade, boom, come back, stop you out. The moment you get stopped out, your mindset has to go be like to the point of saying, normal, that was my setup, I took it, it's okay, moving to the next one. Only after taking different number of trades and the strategy is not performing, then you're going to be like, okay, let's evaluate the strategy, let's backtest more, let's forward test, let's find out what the strategy is missing, then I can do something. On a singular trade, any outcome is possible. Even in the A++ setup, some people say, oh, this is the A++ setup. Bullshit. Every setup is the same. Statistically speaking, every setup is the same. So guys, I hope this today live was fun and not fun. It was backtesting together. We did a little bit of backtesting, and hopefully it's interesting for you. I'm gonna continue on the next days as well, do it as well, and see. And I'm gonna share all this in Discord. The moment everything is done, it's gonna be in Discord with my data and everything, so everyone can take note about it. And guys, love you all. See you tomorrow, 9:30 Eastern time, trading, and yeah, peace and love, guys.